Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to making your very own, absolutely delicious vegan hummus. It's truly simpler than you might think, and the taste, oh, it's just so much better than anything you can buy in a store. We're talking about achieving that perfect, creamy texture right in your own kitchen. You get to control all the flavors, creating a healthier, more vibrant dip for all your snacking needs. Let's gather our simple, yet powerful ingredients. First up, chickpeas 1 can, drained, and if you're feeling ambitious, peel them for extra silkiness. Next, grab some high-quality tahini. It's crucial for that authentic hummus flavor. Freshly squeezed lemon juice brightens everything, and a single clove of garlic adds a lovely aromatic kick. And for that ultimate creamy texture, a splash of ice-cold water or a few ice cubes will do wonders. Now for the fun part, blending. Toss your drained chickpeas, the rich tahini, fresh lemon juice, and the garlic right into your food processor. Hit that blend button, letting it whir until everything starts to look really smooth. As it's blending, slowly, gradually drizzle in that ice-cold water. You'll see the mixture transform, becoming incredibly light and fluffy, reaching that ideal hummus consistency you desire. Your basic hummus is fantastic, but now comes the exciting part, making it truly your own. Want a smoky flavor? Add a dash of smoked paprika. For a vibrant twist, consider blending in roasted red peppers. Fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro, or even some chili flakes for a little kick, are wonderful additions. Don't be afraid to experiment, exploring different spices and ingredients to find your perfect flavor combination. Your incredible homemade vegan hummus is now ready to enjoy. Spoon it into a bowl, maybe add a final drizzle of good olive oil, and a sprinkle of paprika for color. It's absolutely perfect alongside warm pita bread, crunchy fresh vegetables, or even spread generously on your favorite sandwich. Any leftovers will keep beautifully in an airtight container in the refrigerator for about 5 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.